In this video, I will guide you on how to hide your Instagram account from everyone. First, launch open the Instagram app. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then you want to tap on the three lines at the top right corner. This should open your settings and activity page. Now find the option of account privacy. Here, you want to toggle the option of private account. Then tap on switch to private. Once that is done, you want to head back. Next, you want to find the option of story, live, and location. Tap on that. Here, select the option of hide story and live from. Then you want to select all of your followers over here and tap on the finish option. Next, you want to find the option of messages and story reply. Here, find the option of message request, tap on that, set that to no one. Then find the option who can add you to group chat, select people that you follow or have messaged, then head back. Next, select story replies. Here, you want to tap on the don't allow story replies option, then head back. Now select show activity status. Go ahead and toggle this option off. Once that is done, you want to head back. Now find the option of activity in friends feed. Here, set that to no one. Once that is done, your Instagram account has now become much more private. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.